Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I have a super cool unboxing for you. This is an Elemis gift with purchase and it is so good. I just had to get it to show it to you. So once in a while, Elemis will team up with a fashion brand to create a special gift with purchase. They've done it with Olivia Rubin, they've done it with William Morris, they've done it with Elizabeth Scarlett, just to name a few. They've done some really good ones. I can't remember who else. I think they did a Rixo one as well, actually. They've got very good taste. They pick very, very, very good people to do gift with purchases with. And this time they have done Temperley. So I thought I'd share it with you. You can actually get this entire set for free. So basically, when you spend £100 or more and use the code Temperley, I think that is, I will check it and put it in the description below. You basically get this set for free and it is worth £72. So it's basically like spend £100, get this free, £72 it's worth. So let's unbox it and let me show you exactly what it looks like and exactly what it contains. Also, the set is out now, so if you do want it, you can literally go buy it like right now. Yeah, it's already on the website and I think it's in stores and also with stockists too, but it's definitely on the Elemis website. And again, I will put the code in the description box below. So first of all, here is the bag it comes in. It is Elemis and Temperley. It is a beautiful print, a classic Temperley, absolutely stunning. It is navy blue on the back. It is printed on the front and it's just so beautiful. Doesn't it give William Morris kind of vibes? I think it's so pretty. Anyway, inside, look at this, it's so cute. Anyway, inside we have 4 products. Again, this is all free when you spend over £100 and use the code Temperley, I think it is. I need to check that, I really do. Anyway, let me show you the products that you get. First of all, we get the Elemis Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. I have not actually used this one. This one is quite new and I love fig. So I'm shocked that I haven't, oh my God. That stopped me mid-sentence. I was like, I'm shocked I haven't tried it yet. And then I smelled it and I was like, oh my God, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love the smell of fig. Oh, that's so good. That's like botanically and figgy. They're so pretty. You know how figs have that really lovely kind of green and milky scent? That is this. It's so pretty. Anyway, that is the first item. It's a cleansing balm. It's fig scented. I could literally wear that as a perfume. That is gorgeous. And it is a 20-gram pot. So that is the first item. And then there is a second cleanser. This is a dynamic resurfacing facial wash. So you can use this one in the morning and you can use the other one at night, or you can use this one in the morning and then do a double cleanse and use these 2 at night, whatever you like. But that is an amazing product as well. I really love this. It just kind of gives you a light exfoliation and also a cleanse. It's really good. So that is that. And this is a 30ml tube. So nice and generous. And then this is a proper exfoliator as opposed to kind of like a little bit of like a daily refresh. This is more like a hardcore exfoliator. This is a Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator and this is a 15ml. This is the kind of thing that most people would use maybe once or twice a week, but I would probably use more like every other week because I have very dry and sensitive skin. So I tend to use exfoliators less often than other people, but this is an amazing one. So that is that, and that is 15ml. And then finally, I think you probably know what this will be because it is, of course, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I feel like every Today's Special Value, every gift with purchase, every deal they ever do always includes one of these because it is one of their most loved products. This is 15ml, and this alone is probably worth like £30. It's crazy. Anyway, it's one of the best face creams in the world. It's so good. And yeah, this is just a classic one. It's not like the SPF, it's not the rich version. It's just like the good old classic Pro Collagen Marine Cream. That is that, and that is 15ml. And that is the entire set. I honestly think it's amazing. I love, love, love the little bag. I still have my Olivia Rubin bag and I still have a couple of the other ones floating around, but I really love this little bag. I love all the products. They're all really useful, usable. It could even make a really good gift. But I personally wouldn't pass it on. But yeah, you get 4 items. It's free, like literally completely free. You just have to use the promo code and you have to spend over £100 and it is yours. And I thought I'd share it with you. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you like it. It's out now, but it won't be around forever. So if you do want it, please do buy it soon. And I put the links and the code and everything else below. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.